check this out. This is cute, cute, cute. 3 cutes. So the front door, and I'm gonna look at the instructions so that I can actually get in. All right, here we go. Ooh, very cute. I'm gonna take my shoes off because this is quite clean. So we got our first little sitting room here. Ooh, I really like this. All right, and then I'm guessing this is our master bed over here. Oh my gosh, I love this. That was the closet, so we can check out the closet right quick. Oh yeah, a nice little walk-in closet. So you guys know how I feel about closets. And then let's check out this little bathroom. And it looks like it is a full bath. Ooh, this is cute. I like this backsplash. A lot, actually. Okay, I'm sold. I want to live here. Ooh, I really like this. And then I don't want to miss this little cabinet. Hey! Here. And that's the toilet. Yep. But yeah, very tastefully done. I really like that. Let's see. Where is my light switch for this room? Probably here. Nope. Comes with a baby. The house comes with that baby right there. But yes, I love this. So peaceful. And I can't not. I gotta get a look out this door. So this is outside the fenced-in area, which I actually think is kind of great. I won't walk out this one because we'll go out on the back porch, but we've got another, what looks like another closet here. Oh, and this one's big too, actually. So this master bed has quite a bit of space, I would say. All right, let's check out. Back through the sitting room. There's quite a lot of house here for... Oh, cute. And this all opens to the backyard. Oh, I love this. Props to the staging person. This is very also how I probably would do this space. I think I don't have the lights on, but I feel like they're over here. Maybe not. Okay, so this would be the living room, which I love this. And then this kitchen. Oh my gosh. And it's a bit of an open concept kitchen because you can put a table in here if you want to. Oh, you could do an island. Yes to this kitchen. Oh my gosh, it's really cute. So it looks like updated appliances. Got to see this backsplash. Oh, pretty. Those look like granite countertops, and I like the size of this sink. This is a nice large sink. I used to live in like the equivalent of a tiny house, and the sink is the one thing I will never give up ever again. And then we've got an extra sitting / living room / office over here. Oh, cool. And it's got like its own little, it's like got a different feeling almost from the rest of the house because it's got this beautiful exposed wood rafters and ceiling. Oh, I really like this. I don't know if I would make this the living room and the other area like a second living room, but then this would be the primary, or maybe it could be an office. And then we've got our laundry room over here. All this stuff. And like I said in another one of my videos, like big laundry rooms are where it's at for me, at least, because I do a lot of outdoorsy stuff. So I always, like, mud rooms are everything. We don't have one right now, and life is challenging without it. All right. Let's check out the upstairs, and then I will go. Oh, wait, there's another room right here. I think this is a bathroom. I'm going to guess. Yes, I would be right. This is super cute little bathroom. I'm guessing this is a half bath, but let's see. Yes, it is. Hey. Yes, so you've got another little half bath down here. I don't know. I'm kind of in love with this house. I might be the first one to put an offer on it. I really do like Annapolis, though. But this is so charming. This is only an hour from Annapolis, so if you are up for a commute, this would be a pretty typical one in DC area. Okay, so we've got a pretty large bathroom. I love what they did with these backsplashes. There we go. I might get this house just for the bathrooms because they're quite nice. All right, let's check out. So I'm assuming downstairs is the master bath. Got a little closet, and then I don't know, this could be, all these bedrooms so far, at least that I'm seeing, are they're really large size bedrooms. Like this one has 2 closets. A very cute view. Cute view of the outside. Oh yeah, shelving. It's a little dark in here. I'm not sure if the lights are on at the moment, but so 2 closets, and then I'm assuming there are 2, these are obviously 2 more closets over here. Yes, and these are hanging closets. So you've got shelving behind me in the 2 closets over there, and then you've got, assuming this is another hanging closet. Yes. Interesting. And you got another little nook over here. All right, and I think there's another Okay. Let's see. And then another bedroom over here, also with 2 closets. That's handy. I love these little nooks for the windows. I could put like a little sitting area over here in each of the rooms. Okay, so this is kind of open. You could do shelving if you wanted, but you don't have to. All right, let's head back downstairs. And we'll make sure we turn any lights off. There we go. Again, if you're looking for a house that comes with a baby, I got one. I wouldn't let her out here though. It looks like this is. So there are more than one doors to get outside. This is a huge deck. I love this. Oh my gosh. So I'd probably do like a little, whoa, my gimbal went crazy there for a second. So I'd probably do like a little awning over here and just set up like an area, just a whole grilling area outside. But I mean, as you know from a lot of my other videos, I have a little doggy and she would absolutely love this backyard and the ability to come out any which way. And it also, if you have kids, it kind of takes away the worry, right? If they let her out like a back door, she's not running out into the neighborhood. She's just going to be right here in her little area. All right. And then I just want to do one more quick look over here. I think there's a lock on this shed, but I just wanted to do a little walkabout. Yeah, there is a lock on the shed. But if you want to come see it, I'm sure you can check it out. Oh, pretty. So this is the backyard. It is a 3-acre property, so I'm not sure what the property lines are, but definitely a question for your, come on Gimbal, work with me here, real estate agent. Honestly, this is one of the coolest houses that I've seen as of yet, in terms of location and size and just family friendly. And I love that it's surrounded by woods. I love it. I'm Claire, Maryland real estate lady. If you enjoyed this tour of this adorable house, please like and subscribe, but also let me know what else you want to see, what areas of Maryland, what kinds of properties, and I will check you out. I mean, you can check me out and check me out on the next video.